Didn't do a blog last night. Hey, get out of my stuff. Get out of there. Didn't do a video yesterday there. I've been thinking about how to do these videos better. Went for motorcycle riding instead. But what I did decide is that I'm this far. I'm going to split those cases. We're going to check everything all out. And this is an early model engine. Where's the serial number? In the 170,000 range anyway, so I know it's not going to have super blend bearings in it, you know, unless somebody's changed it at one time, but I want to find out. So we're going to split these cases. We're going to take this all apart and going to show you some different ideas for the gasket goop that people are doing and using and what I do, and we'll see what happens from here. Got my little dog down here barking, little guard dog. Okay, so we're going to split these cases. So we got to remove the cam nut, and the timing gears are already loose here, but we're going to lock the crankshaft by turning it to bottom dead center, and we'll just put one of my extensions in there, and that'll lock the case. And I made a little camera stand here for now until mine comes in from eBay. So let me see if this is going to work. Put it like that. And get some shit out of the way. Hope I don't knock my camera over. Yeah, this nut's going this way here, right? Yeah. Oh, grab my dog. Hey, get over here. Come over here, get in here. Sunday morning. I didn't do a video yesterday because I went for a bike ride. And trying to think about how to make these videos more interesting, more helpful to people. All my other videos so far, I did all that work like a year and a half ago. I gotta loosen the tensioner off. Two nuts there. They shouldn't be that tight because I just snugged it up when I made it there. Remember all those videos about a year and a half ago? Kind of forgotten all the detail, but I should have really, I almost should redo them again and show how I relace wheels. There's tricks to it, and that's probably what people need to see. And I've never worked on a Norton before, so except for tune-ups at the shop years ago. But I'll learn as you're learning. And just send me some comments if I'm not doing something right, if I missed something, and help me out. Take this. Hopefully you can see that there. Yeah. Gonna take the tensioner washers out here. It's here. I don't think there's any seals on this side to the engine cases, just the crankcase breather vent holes, which that's going to be something else we're going to look at. There's all kinds of ideas guys do for that. There's so much crankcase pressure from both pistons coming down at the same time, and in vacuum when it sucks it up, that the pressure, you know, actually blows out the seals and leaks out at high RPMs, and that's where a lot of the leaks come from in these bikes. Yeah, this I'm gonna have to put a puller on this sprocket. There's my hook tool here. Yeah, there's a little slipper there. There's no Teflon or nylon or plastic on there, which a lot of bikes have. I better double check that. This one's nice and loose. This one we're going to put a puller on, so I'm gonna pause it until I find my pullers. Okay, I found my 3-jaw puller. I got a whole bin full of pullers in here. You can get them pretty cheap at Harbor Freight in the States. Whole kit, plus I had a few of my old ones. And let's see if this is going to pull it off. I always put pry bar or screwdriver or something here, just so I'm not turning. The whole puller isn't turning. This is going to come off pretty easy. We're going to check that chain too for sloppiness. I think that's going to come off. Yep, I like that. I think that did it. I hope this one comes off. I think that's caught on the, where's my flashlight? On the nut there. Looks like it's coming, but it might be hitting the teeth on the worm gear. Hard to tell. Oh yeah, it's hitting the teeth on this one worm gear here. So I gotta pull this nut off. I don't see any locking washers on that, so it's supposed to be a special tool to get this off, because you don't want to put a wrench on this and start, bending the whole shaft, because it's held in place by the outer cover. Yeah. Let me think on that one for a minute and come up with an idea.